Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see the recipe of tomato soup in a way that it will be made quickly. You will love the taste better than any soup in the market. If you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the ingredients we need for this recipe. Take half cup of fresh green peas, 1 carrot, but it's optional. As it is tomato soup, you can skip this. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use oil in place of butter. Half lemon, some salt to taste, roughly chopped ginger plus garlic cloves. Take 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes. Make sure you take ripe tomatoes as it is important for good taste and color. Now roughly chop them into pieces and keep it aside. Pressure cook these chopped tomatoes and carrots with around 3 to 4 cups of water on medium flame. Wait for 1 to 2 whistles and switch off the gas. Let it cool down completely before opening the lid. Now take a heated pan, add some butter, add half cup of fresh green peas and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. As it is ready, we'll keep it aside and use it later. As soon as the boiled tomatoes gets cooled off, we'll separate it out into another bowl. For now, we'll keep this tomato stock aside and strain it later along with the grinded tomato pulp. Transfer the boiled vegetables in a mixer jar and grind it into paste. Don't grind it for too long as we do not want to grind the seeds of the tomato. Sieve the mixture to remove any clumps and get a smooth consistency. Use big strainer so that it can get easily strained. Now as you can see, by straining, we have gotten rid of all the tomato seeds and its skin. I would highly recommend you guys to use as big of a pot as it is available in the kitchen so that you can strain it properly. And look, nothing much is left in the sieve, very few fiber is left. Here the puree is ready and now we'll cook it. This is the tomato stock left in the pressure cooker and we'll cook it along the tomato puree. For thick consistency of soup, add some water in corn flour and mix it well. So now the final step, let's make the soup. First we'll heat the butter. Now add roughly chopped ginger and garlic paste. Add some fresh curry leaves. If it is not available for you, you can skip it. To enhance the taste of the soup and get some spicy touch, we'll add chopped green chilies. Now add the fried green peas and mix all of them well. Now we'll add the tomato pulp and tomato stock all together. Now stir properly and let it simmer. Keep stirring while it's simmering for about 2 to 3 minutes. The flavor of crushed garlic and ginger is amazing in this recipe, so try not to skip it. Now we'll use the corn flour mixture for thick consistency of the soup. As you can see, by adding the corn flour mixture, we got a very smooth consistency of the soup. Now add some salt as per taste. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure you only add the lemon juice after you switch off the flame. It's done now. The soup is ready to be served. We'll garnish it with some fresh milk cream. This step is totally optional, you can skip it if you do not want to use cream. So dear friends, home style tomato soup is ready and you all can try it this winter and enjoy it with your family. If you have liked this video, share this with your family and friends and subscribe the channel. And keep watching for more such delicious recipes.